We all dream of having that radiant, healthy-looking skin, the kind that makes us feel confident and beautiful. You know, the kind that makes you look like you just stepped out of a spa day, refreshed and rejuvenated, even if you only had 5 minutes to spare in your busy morning routine. Well, good news, folks. Achieving that coveted glow doesn't require hours of complicated rituals or a bathroom cabinet overflowing with products. It's simpler than you think. In fact, you can get there with a simple, effective 10-minute skincare routine that's as easy on your skin as it is on your schedule. No stress, just results. In this essay, we'll break down a dermatologist-approved skincare routine perfect for every skin type, whether you're dealing with dryness, oiliness, or a combination of both. We'll guide you through the essential steps for both morning and evening, ensuring you're armed and ready to tackle your skincare game like a pro. From cleansing to moisturizing, we've got you covered. Plus, we'll shine a light on some common skincare slip-ups that might be holding you back from achieving that lit-from-within glow. Avoiding these mistakes can make all the difference. Get ready to say hello to your best skin yet. Imagine looking in the mirror and loving the skin you're in. This isn't just about vanity. It's about giving your skin the love and care it deserves. It's about feeling good in your own skin. Think of it as a daily dose of self-care, a small investment in feeling confident and radiant every single day. Your skin will thank you. So, are you ready to embark on this skincare journey with us? Let's get glowing and make every day a great skin day. Before we dive headfirst into the nitty-gritty of our 10-minute routine, let's take a moment to understand the canvas we're working with. Your skin. It's essential to know what makes your skin unique so you can give it the care it truly deserves. Just like no two people are the same, our skin comes in different types, each with its own unique quirks and needs. Recognizing these differences is the first step in crafting a skincare routine that works for you. Generally, skin types fall into 5 main categories: normal, oily, dry, combination, and sensitive. Each type has its own characteristics and requires specific care to maintain its health and appearance. Normal skin is the well-balanced friend, not too oily, not too dry, basically, the Goldilocks of skin types. It's the ideal skin type that many strive for, but it still needs proper care to stay balanced. Oily skin, as the name suggests, tends to produce more sebum, giving it a naturally shiny appearance. This type can be prone to acne and requires products that help control oil without stripping the skin. Dry skin, on the other hand, craves moisture and can feel tight and flaky. It needs rich, hydrating products to keep it supple and prevent irritation. Combination skin, the master of disguise, can be oily in some areas, usually the T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin, and dry in others like the cheeks. This type requires a balanced approach to address both oily and dry areas effectively. Lastly, sensitive skin, the delicate darling, is prone to irritation and redness. It needs gentle, soothing products to avoid triggering reactions and to maintain its calm. Understanding your skin type is key to choosing the right products and tailoring the routine to your specific needs. This knowledge helps you avoid products that could potentially harm your skin. If you're unsure, a quick visit to a dermatologist can provide personalized recommendations. They can help you identify your skin type and suggest products that will work best for you. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your skin. The more you know, the better you can care for it, ensuring it stays healthy and radiant. The sun is peeking through the curtains, the birds are chirping, and it's time to kickstart your day and your skin with a refreshing morning routine. This is all about prepping your skin for the day ahead, protecting it from environmental aggressors, and setting the stage for a healthy glow. Step 1. Cleanse away the night. Even if you diligently cleansed before bed, your skin still deserves a gentle wake-up call in the morning. Overnight, your skin works hard, repairing itself and producing sebum, so a quick cleanse helps remove any excess oil and impurities. Look for a gentle, pH-balanced cleanser that won't strip your skin of its natural oils. Step 2. Hydrate and protect. Next up, it's time to lock in moisture and shield your skin from the elements. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type. Lightweight for oily skin, richer for dry skin, and something in between for normal and combination. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, which attracts and retains moisture, leaving your skin feeling plump and hydrated. No morning skincare routine is complete without sunscreen. Yes, you heard that right, even on cloudy days. Sunscreen is your skin's best defense against the sun's harmful UV rays, which can cause premature aging, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and even skin cancer. Look for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher. Apply it generously to all exposed skin, including your face, neck, ears, and hands. Don't forget often neglected areas like the back of your neck and the tops of your feet if they're exposed. Make sunscreen a non-negotiable part of your daily routine, and your skin will thank you for it in the long run. Remember, prevention is always better than cure, and when it comes to sun protection, consistency is key. So, slather on that sunscreen and face the day with confidence, knowing your skin is well protected. Section 5. Nighttime Nourishment, your evening skincare routine. As the day winds down and you prepare for a good night's sleep, your skin deserves a little TLC too. Your nighttime skincare routine is all about removing the day's grime, makeup, and pollution, giving your skin a chance to repair and rejuvenate while you sleep. Step 1. Double cleanse for a fresh start. If you wear makeup or sunscreen, which you should, a double cleanse is your best bet for ensuring your skin is truly clean. Start with an oil-based cleanser or micellar water to break down makeup and sunscreen, followed by a water-based cleanser to remove any remaining residue. This two-step process ensures a clean slate for the rest of your routine. Step 2. Treatment time, which is optional. This step is where you can address specific skin concerns with targeted treatments like serums or essences. Whether you're battling breakouts, fine lines, or hyperpigmentation, there's a serum out there for you. Look for ingredients like vitamin C for brightening, retinol for anti-aging, and niacinamide for reducing redness and inflammation. Apply a small amount to your skin after cleansing and before your moisturizer. Section 6. Treatment time. Targeting your unique concerns. Step 3. Seal in the goodness with moisturizer. Just like in the morning, your nighttime routine needs a dose of hydration. Choose a moisturizer that's a tad richer than your daytime option, especially if you have dry skin. This helps replenish moisture lost throughout the day and creates a protective barrier to prevent water loss while you sleep. Look for ingredients like ceramides, which help strengthen the skin's barrier, and hyaluronic acid, which attracts and retains moisture. And there you have it. Your skin is now prepped and pampered, ready for a good night's rest. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Stick to your routine morning and night, and you'll be well on your way to achieving that healthy, radiant glow you've always wanted. Section 7. Skincare slip-ups, common mistakes to avoid. Even with the best of intentions, we've all been guilty of making a few skincare slip-ups along the way. But don't worry, we're here to help you identify and rectify those common mistakes that might be hindering your quest for glowing skin. 1. Over-exfoliating. While exfoliation can be beneficial for removing dead skin cells and revealing brighter skin, overdoing it can strip away your skin's natural oils, leading to irritation, dryness, and even breakouts. Stick to exfoliating once or twice a week, depending on your skin type and the type of exfoliant you're using. 2. Skipping sunscreen. Gasp. We've said it before, and we'll say it again. Sunscreen is non-negotiable, even on cloudy days. UV rays can penetrate clouds and windows, so make it a habit to apply sunscreen every single morning, rain or shine. 3. Using harsh products. Aggressive scrubbing, harsh cleansers, and products loaded with alcohol and fragrances can disrupt your skin's natural barrier, leading to irritation, dryness, and sensitivity. Opt for gentle, pH-balanced formulas that cleanse and nourish without stripping your skin of its natural oils. Section 8. Product Picks. A helping hand for your skincare journey. Navigating the world of skincare products can feel like trying to decipher a foreign language. The sheer number of options can be daunting. With countless brands, ingredients, and claims, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Each product promises something unique, making it hard to choose. Fear not, skincare newbies. We're here to demystify the process and offer a helping hand with a few product recommendations to get you started. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your routine, we've got you covered. Cleansers. Look for gentle, pH-balanced cleansers that effectively remove dirt, makeup, and impurities without stripping your skin of its natural oils. A good cleanser sets the foundation for your skincare routine. Some popular options include Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser, both known for their gentle yet effective formulas, and La Roche-Posay Toleriane Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. These cleansers are highly recommended by dermatologists. Moisturizers. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type, lightweight for oily skin, richer for dry skin, and something in between for normal and combination. Hydration is key to healthy skin, and something in between for normal and combination. Finding the right balance can make a significant difference in your skin's appearance and feel. Some well-loved options include CeraVe AM Facial Moisturizing Lotion with SPF 30, which provides hydration and sun protection in one. Neutrogena Hydro Boost, Water Gel, known for its lightweight, hydrating formula, and Drunk Elephant Proteini Polypeptide Cream, which is packed with peptides to support skin strength and resilience. Sunscreens. Look for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher. Sunscreen is a non-negotiable step in any skincare routine to protect against harmful UV rays. Some top contenders include La Roche-Posay Anthelios Clear Skin Dry Touch, Sunscreen SPF 60, which offers high protection without a greasy feel, EltaMD UV Clear Broad Spectrum SPF 46, favored for its lightweight, non-comedogenic formula, and Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40, which is invisible on all skin tones and perfect for daily use. Remember, these are just a few suggestions to get you started. The world of skincare is vast and varied. It's essential to find products that work best for your individual skin type and concerns. Everyone's skin is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different products until you discover your skincare soulmates. Your perfect routine is out there, waiting to be found. Section 9. Consistency is key your path to glowing skin. Congratulations, you've made it to the end of our skincare journey. You're now armed with the knowledge and tools to achieve that healthy, radiant glow you've always wanted. But remember, the key to unlocking your skin's full potential lies in consistency. Just like building any good habit, sticking to your skincare routine morning and night is crucial for seeing results. Think of it this way. You wouldn't expect to see results from going to the gym once a month, would you? The same principle applies to skincare. Consistency is key to allowing the products to work their magic and your skin to reap the benefits. So, make a commitment to your skin and stick to your routine. Be patient, be kind to your skin, and enjoy the journey to healthy, glowing skin. Trust us, your future self will thank you for it. Now go forth and glow.